Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I am your host, your host, and as usual in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. Today we would be sharing aptitude questions which were asked during the Mahindra's Rise or Mahindra's Electricals Assessment, which they call Mahindra's Electrical Assessment 2. For electrical engineers, their aptitude test consists of numericals and coding questions along with MCQ related to technical. For non-electrical batches, there were no aptitude test. So if you are from electrical batch, then you would be finding 10 questions on numerical ability. During this session, I would be showcasing those questions which were asked during this May 2023 drive, Central India drive, and you know the drill. Go through the question, try to solve it yourself, but before that pause the session and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please do that and share the content with your friends and then look out for the solution. So let's start now. In a survey to know people's references for Samsung phones and iPhones, 80 people preferred Samsung, while 60 people preferred iPhones. There were 20% who liked both, that means S intersection I is 20. If there were no one who didn't prefer at least one of the two brands of phone, then on how many people was the survey conducted? That means they are asking us to find what is S union I. That is NS plus NI minus S intersection I. A union B is A plus B minus A intersection B. 40, 120. So on 120 people, the survey was conducted. Option A is the pick. Out of the 10 questions that were asked in aptitude, few were from reasoning also, verbal reasoning, and this is one is from direction and distance. Give it a try. Alex walks 1 mile towards east. So we know this is north, south, Bengal, east and B. So whenever we are solving distance and direction questions, basically we always start from the origin position. 1 mile towards east, and then he turns south and further and walks further 5 miles. This is 5 miles. He then turns east and walks 2 miles. Okay. Finally, he turns to his north and walks 9 miles. So this is north walking 5 miles equivalent to this, and this would be 4. So this total becomes 9. Now this is the final position. This is the starting position. How far is he from the starting position? Whenever they ask about the distances between 2 points, we always try to identify the shortest distance. So when I join this S and F, I can see a right angle triangle being constructed. This is 4. This one is 1 plus 2, that is 3. So in this right angle triangle, base is 3, perpendicular is 4. So this hypotenuse would be 5. How to find hypotenuse? We know that is root over base square plus perpendicular square. 9 plus 16, that is root 25 and 5. So the shortest distance between the starting point and the final position is 5 miles. Option B is the pick. A question from divisibility rule. I hope you people are pausing this session and then Try to do it. These all are simple questions based on simple premises. Do go through the master classes. Link is there in the description below, and you should go through it. So dwell deeper into these concepts. N is a number where x and y are single digit natural number. That means they would be from 1 to 9. If 9 is divisible, if n is divisible by 9, what is the value of x plus y? Now what is the divisibility rule of 9? That sum of digits should be divisible by 9. Now n is 2, 3, 8, 7, 6, x, 7, 9, 4, y. So this is 5, 13, 20, 26, 30, 39 and 46. So sum of digit is 46 plus x plus y. And we are looking out for the value of x plus y. Now 46 plus x plus y should be multiple of 9. 9, 5 is 45, 9, 6 is 54. So we can say that x plus y is 54 minus 46, that is 8. Now again, the maximum value that x and y can take is 9. So x plus y maximum value can go up till 18. But here we are seeing that x plus y is 8. That means we can try with the next multiple also. 54 plus 9, 63. Next multiple 63. Then x plus y would be 63 minus 46, and that would be 17. It is simply adding 9 to the first value of x plus y. What we have get is 8. 8 plus 9 will give you 17. That means x plus y's value can be 8 or 17. So it's better to mark on option D, that is either A or B. Facts, principle and knowledge based questions from geometry. A circle circumscribe an equilateral triangle. We have an equilateral triangle, all side equal, angle equals to 60 degree, and there is a circle. Now, okay, the side of these equilateral triangle is x. Another equilateral triangle of side y is drawn which circumscribe the circle. So the equilateral triangle would be of something like this. Okay, and the side of this equilateral triangle is y. What is the ratio of y is to x? Now if we look at this diagram very clearly, we can see that from an external point A, two tangents are drawn on this circle which are meeting at these points. So in that case, these two tangents are same by the property. If from an external point two tangents are drawn on a circle, then the length of the tangents are equal. So length of these triangle tangents are equal. Similarly, from point B, if two tangents are drawn on the circle, then length of these should be equal. From point C, again length should be equal. Now we see that this is an equilateral triangle. We know that. That means A plus B is equals to A plus C is equals to B plus C. In that case, we can see that A is equals to B is equals to C. Clear? Done. That means all these are halves. These all are midpoints. So if we look at this triangle ABC, we can see that these two are midpoints, and this line is parallel to this line. And using the midpoint theorem, we can say that if a line drawn parallel to the third side joins two midpoints of other two sides, then it is parallel to and half of the third side. That means x is half of y. Or else, like this also, you can see that if we prove that A is equals to B is equals to C, then this is an equilateral triangle. This is x, then B is equals to x, C is equals to x, A is equals to x. That way also you can see and show. So these are all equals to x, and y is equals to A plus B, which is equals to 2x. Therefore, x upon y is 1 by 2. We are looking out for y is to x, that is 2 is to 1. Anyway round, whatever concept you use, answer would be 2 is to 1, option B. Now one or two questions you may get it from data interpretation. I think one only out of those 10. So this was one of them. A table given shows production of 5 difference of car by a company from 98 to 2003. Study the table. In which year the production of cars of all types taken together were approximately equal to the average of the total production during the period. Now, total production during the period is 476. How many years do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, average production comes to 7, 42, 56, 9.33, 79.33. Now, in which year the production of the car was near to the average? Now, these are the year total. We need to find where we can get 79.33. Now 79.33 on approximation, it should be 79. I'll go with this 79 in year 2000. Now I will not go with 80. Okay, because if it is more than 0.5, I would have checked with 80 on approximation. On approximation, it should be 79 going with year 2000. Mark on year 2000 and on. I hope you are pausing the session and try to do it yourself. Please do that. Without that, there is no point practicing. So find the next number in the following series. If I look at this series, what I can get? Okay, 46, 57. This is what I can see. That if I add 46 plus 57, I am getting 103. 103 plus 57 is giving me 160. 160 plus 103 is 263. That means any term is sum of two previous term. So the missing term should be 423 plus 263. That would be 686. That is in option A. Now such a good question, wonderful question on digit counting from number system. In a list of numbers from 100 to 10,000, the number of times 3 will be printed is. And in a nutshell, I'll try to explain to you the shortcut of counting number of digits in our decimal number system, that is 10. Just forget this 100. This is the 5-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave it. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Count the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply with this 10,000. And divide by the base of our number system, that is 4,000. Actually, this is the result. From 1 to 10,000, any digit from 1 to 9 will occur 4,000 times if you are writing from 1 to 10,000. Any digit. It is not about the 3 only. Digit 5 will also occur 4,000 times. Digit 6 will also occur 4,000 times. So they will occur 4,000 times. Similarly, what is the rule for 1 to 100? It is simply count the number of zeros, 2, multiply by 100, divided by 10, it is 20. So between 1 to 100, any digit, that is digits from 1 to 9, will occur how many times? 20 times. You can count on your fingers and also check. This is the shortest method to identify. And obviously there is a reason behind it. Why we are doing it is based upon, okay, let me do it with 100. So, how many 2-digit random numbers are there from till 99, suppose? So, there are 00 to 99. That means 100 random numbers are there. To write these 100 random numbers, we need how many digits? Since you write any random number of 2 digits, we require 2 digits. To write 100 random number, we require 200 digits. Now, what is our base? We have got 10 digits. Divide by 10. That's how it becomes 20. You may count. If you are writing from 00 to 99, each digit, even 0 is occurring 20 times. So based on that logic, simply between 1 to 10,000, there digit 3 will occur 4,000 times, and between 1 to 100, digit 3 will occur 20 times. This is the shortest method ever to find number of digits. So now they are asking in the list of numbers from 100 to 10,000, how many times 3 will occur? It is simply 4,000 minus 20, that is 3980 times. Option B is the pick. Okay, a classical take from LCM number system is on your screen. Do pause and try to solve. 3 bells ring simultaneously at 11 a.m. They ring at a regular interval of 20 minutes, 30 minutes and 40 minutes respectively. Whenever we have these kind of question, obviously they would be asking majority of the time that what will be the time when they all will three all will ring together for the next time, or maybe like fourth time, third time, whatever. For that, what we need to just identify is the LCM of their time intervals. So 20, 30, 40 LCM is what we are looking out for. That is 10 into 3 into 4, 12, 120 minutes. That is 2 hours. That means after every 2 hours, all the 3 bell will ring together. So after 11 a.m., 2 hours is 1 p.m. or 2 hours is 3 p.m. or 2 hours is 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. or 9 p.m. This will be the time slots when all the 3 bells would be ringing together. Okay. Now the question here is the time when all the 3 ring together next in this case it would be 1 p.m. If suppose they have asked the time when all the 3 ring together for the 4th time starting from 11 a.m. So if 11 a.m. is the first time, then 2, 3, 4, it would be 5 p.m. So similar kind of question, all are based on LCM. Do it. Non-verbal reasoning Venn diagrams. Identify the people who can speak only one language. Okay, this is the area we are looking out for. This is the area, which means this is the area where only we can find Hindi speaking. This is the area where we can find English speaking only and only Tamil speaking. So that is what they are asking us to identify. Identify the people who can speak only one language. It should be area I, J and K. Yes, that we have in option D. Data interpretation pie chart. The following pie chart shows the monthly expenditure of a family on food, clothing, rent, miscellaneous items and the savings. What is the central angle for saving? That angle is missing, and we know the total central angle of all the different parts of the pie chart. It has to be 360 degree. So we just need to add 108, 90, 36, 72. So 8, 10, 16, 1, 10, 20, 2, 306. So central angle for savings is 360 minus 306. That is 54 degree. Yes, that we have in option A. Symbol based reasoning, blood relation, family tree, whatever you want to say it. Give it a try. Based on the following relation, which of the given option indicate that W is the niece of X? That means gender of W should be female, first of all. Okay, plus means brother, into means father, minus means sister. So minus is a symbol which will indicate that W is like female, and W need to be W minus we should have in one of the option. W minus Z and W minus Z is here, which will indicate that W is sister of Z, W is sister of Z. That means W is female here. Okay, if we go with option C, X plus Y. X is brother of Y. Done. We don't know the gender of Y. Y star. Y is father of W. Y is male and he is father of W. Now what we have, W minus Z, that means W is sister of Z. W is female and sister of Z. That means W is daughter of Y. Y is brother of X. That means W is niece of X. Done. Got it? Option C. Classical take on number system once again. Give it a try. Two boys are playing on a ground. Both the boys are less than 10 years old. Okay. Age of the youngest boy, let it be Y, is equals to cube root of product of the age of two boys. Y is younger and the elder is x. So what we get from here, y cube is equals to yx. That means x is equals to y square. Now can I assume few values? If x is 1, if y is 1, then x is 1 square. If y is 2, x is 4. If y is 3, x is 3 square, that is 9. If y is 4, x would be 16, which we are not taking because both age is less than 10. And again, two people, different age obviously. So we have got two options here. Let's see which one will fit in. If we place the digit representing the age of the younger boy, that is 2 in this case, to the left of the digit of the elder boy, so that would be 2, 4 or 3, 9, we get the age of father. Done. Similarly, if we place the digit representing the age of elder boy, 4, to the left of the digit representing the age of the younger boy, that is 42, and divide the figure by 2, we get the age of mother. So 42 by 2, mother would be 21, and 93 by 2, mother would be very much senior, older in age than father. I don't think so. Let's see what we have. Mother of the younger boy is younger to his father. Younger to his father by 3 years. Bingo. This is what we have got. Father is 24, mother is 21. Then what is the age of the younger boy? Age of the younger boy is 2 years. Option B fits in. A take from profit and loss percentage. A man bought an article listed at 1500 with a discount of 20%. So list price or market price 1500, discount 20% on 1500, that would be 300. So now the price becomes 1200. What additional discount must be offered to the man to bring the net price to 1104? So he wants to bring the net selling price to 1104. So further discount required would be 1200 minus 1104. That would be 96. So further discount percentage is 96 on the new list price, not on the original list price. The second or the further discount is always given on the new market price. New market price after discount is 1200. So we would be calculating on 1200. So that would be 12 into 8. Yes. So new further discount is 8%. Option A is the pick. Ta-da, time and speed. Fish A swimming at 30 meter per second downstream and fish B swimming at 30 meter per second upstream in a river flowing at a speed of 10 meter per second are 420 meter apart. After how many seconds they will cross each other? Time to meet is distance divided by the effective speed. Since they are moving in opposite direction or towards each other, their effective speed would be speed of A plus speed of B. Now, what is the trick here? A is going downstream, that means A's effective speed would be 30 plus speed of the river, that is 40 meter per second. And since B is going upstream, its effective speed would be 30 minus 10, that is 20. But here we can see that we are adding 10 for A and we are subtracting 10 for B because of the directional movement. When they are like moving towards each other, if this speed is not given, then also we can find the answer, because this speed would be 30 plus A, this speed would be 30 minus A, and when we would be adding them up, A and minus A will cancel out, isn't it? So time taken in this particular question is simply 420 meter divided by 30 plus 30, that is 60 meter per second. So time taken would be 7 seconds. In 7 seconds, they would be crossing each other. Option D is the pick. So last one on the roll, and do practice these questions if you are like planning to sit for Mahindra Rise, Mahindra Electricals, and these were the questions offered on the platform by a consultant company called Acolyte Digital. They also hire people and they also conduct examination for these companies. Example is there on your screen, Mahindra Rise, and they will recruit you on behalf of Mahindra Rise, and maybe like after some training or something, they will place you at Mahindra Rise. So I'll try to come up with the one session on Acolyte Digital's platform. More question on reasoning, and basically on reasoning. So do connect with us whenever we will come up with Acolyte. So the last question is on your screen, and once we have done this, do go through all the question once again and wait for the another session on Acolyte. Let's first finish this. The average weight of a group of 20 boys was calculated to be 89.4 kg. Okay, and it was later discovered that one weight was misread at 78 instead of 87. So actually 78 total should go out and 87 as a total should come in. That means 9 kgs effect should come in the average. So 9 by 20 is 0.45. So the new average would be 89.4 plus 0.45, that is 89.85 kg. Yes, bingo. That is what we have in option D. So on this note, give power to women employment. Do it. Acolyte Digital. See you all at Mahindra Rise. Do design new vehicles. And before that, do subscribe to the channel. It's Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'll see you soon. Very soon.